So you want flexible spine, stronger muscles, and improved stamina. All these benefits are hidden in one powerful yogic sequence, and that's our traditional Surya Namaskar. Let's begin. On the corner of mat, stand tall, feet together, join your palms at the heart, and breathe deeply. Feel centered. Inhale. Stretch your hands upward, overhead. Arch backward. Expand your chest. Exhale. Bend forward from the hips. Hands beside the feet. Head relax. Inhale. Step your right foot backward. Look slightly forward, upward. Exhale. Step your left leg back. Body in a straight line. Engage your core. Inhale. Drop your knees. Exhale. Chest and chin on the mat. Inhale, slide forward, lift your chest, look up, elbows slightly bent. Exhale, raise your hips, form inverted V shape. Feel a stretch in your spine and legs. Inhale, step your right foot forward between hands. Look slightly upward. Exhale, bring your left foot forward, fold down, neck relaxed. Inhale, sweep your arms upside. Arch back. Exhale. Join your palms at the heart. Relax. So it was Surya Namaskar. So try this every day and feel the transformation. And for more such videos, follow me. Namaste.